Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to learn how to use simple present tense in English. This lesson is very important for both daily life and office English. Please listen carefully and try to repeat the examples I give. What is simple present tense? We use simple present tense to talk about daily routines, habits, facts, things we do regularly. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m., I drink coffee every morning. I go to work by bus. I check my emails every day. I take a short break at 11. Notice how all these actions happen regularly and are repeated. How to make positive sentences. The basic structure is simple: subject plus verb plus object. Examples: I work in an office. You speak English. They live in Canada. She reads a book every night. He drinks tea in the afternoon. Tip: when the subject is he, she, or it, we add s or es to the verb. Examples: he works in an office. She speaks English fluently. It starts at 9 o'clock. My manager checks emails every morning. The printer stops at noon. Negative sentences. To make negative sentences, we use do not or does not. Examples for I, you, we, they. I do not work on Sunday. You do not come late. We do not use personal phones at work. They do not attend all meetings. For he, she, or it, we use does not. He does not work on Sunday. She does not come late. It does not start early. My manager does not check emails at night. The printer does not work after 5 p.m. Important rule: after does not, we do not add s. We say he does not work, not he does not works. Asking questions to ask questions, we use do or does at the beginning. Examples: do you work here? Do you start at 9? Do they attend meetings? Do we need to submit the report today? For he, she, or it, we use does. Does he work here? Does she send emails every morning? Does it start at 9? Does your manager check the files? Tip: after does, always use the base form of the verb. Short answers. Short answers are very useful in spoken English. Examples: do you work here? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Does he work here? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Do they attend meetings? Yes, they do. No, they don't. Time words in simple present. We often use these words to show frequency. Every day, every morning, usually always. Often, sometimes, never examples. I usually arrive on time. She always completes her work. He often checks his emails. We sometimes have online meetings. They never skip deadlines. Common mistakes. Many learners make mistakes with he, she, it wrong. He work in an office. Does she works here? Correct. He works in an office. Does she work here? Another common mistake: I does not go to meetings. Correct. I do not go to meetings. Practice section repeat after me. I work in an office. He works in an office. She works from home. They work in different departments. I do not come late. He does not come late. She does not miss deadlines. It does not start early. Do you attend meetings? Does he attend meetings? Does she check emails? Do they submit reports on time? Let's do a quick mini quiz. Which sentence is correct? He work in an office. He works in an office. Think. Yes, sentence 2 is correct. Which one is correct? Does she goes to work? Does she go to work? Yes, sentence 2 is correct. Daily life examples. I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth. I drink water. I go to work by bus. I come home in the evening. He wakes up at 6 a.m. He brushes his teeth. He drinks tea. He goes to work by car. He comes home at 7 p.m. She wakes up early. She takes a morning walk. She drinks coffee. She starts work at 9. She finishes at 6. Today we learned what simple present tense is, how to make positive sentences, how to make negative sentences, how to ask questions, how to give short answers, time words, common mistakes, daily life examples. Keep practicing these sentences slowly. Use them in your daily life, and you will become confident in speaking English. And the next lesson, we will learn present continuous tense with many examples. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, and see you in the next lesson.